Attention! Good morning, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all you staff members of Stan Academy, and my dear friends. Good morning, all of you. My name is Bhavna Kalagoti. Behalf of Class 4, standing here to command assembly. Attention! Christianities! Attention! Christianities! We know you know. Today is Tuesday. Classes get ready for Hanuman Chalisa. Classes sit down. Classes join your hand, close the eyes and bow your head. So I like to call Meenakshi for thought.
Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal, Ma'am, and all the hardworking teachers of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friend. This is me, Meenakshi, behalf of Class 4, standing here to say thought, and my thought is like that. Hard work is the key of success. I repeat my thought once again. Hard work is the key of success. I translate my thought in Hindi. कड़ी मेहनत सफलता की कुंजी है. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Small did our Rajin start off our school, so I like to call Lux for poem. Good morning all of you, my name is Laksh Ketwa from class UKG. Today my Hindi poem is Chuk Chuk Katti Aati Re Aao Khel Milkar Khel Re Lama सबसे न्यारी देखो लगती कितनी प्यारी टिकट विकट का काम नहीं है लगता कुछ भी दाम नहीं स्टेशन आया रुक गई रेल खत्म हुआ अपना खेल माय इंग्लिश पोएम लेट्स गो फ्लाई काइट अप टू द स्काई लेट्स गो फ्लाई काइट एंड descend the story up through the atmosphere away the air is clear oh let's go fly and let's go fly. Thank you, Miss. Our senior for news.
First of all, good morning to Honorable Chairman, sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. Today I am Mayank Singh from class 11th here to represent my news headline, and my first news is from international. The European Union has says to supporting the Ukraine in case of cash and weapons as the peace talk continues. And my next news is from the national. The Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has returned from the 3-day visit of South Africa. And my next news from national is the Congress is going to hold an rally on the vote thief in Delhi on 14 December. And my next news is from Uttarakhand. The Indigo plane has going to be damaged due to the stuck of bird in Rishikesh and the passengers are safe. And my next news is from technology. The OnePlus 15R and OnePlus Pad is going to launch in India on 17 December. And my next news is from sports. Today is the 4th day of test match between South Africa and India. The South Africa is going to lead by 306 runs. And my next news is from temperature. Today the minimum temperature of Pakistan is 13 degrees Celsius and maximum is 21 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day.
All our senior for article.
A fresh and warm good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. Today I am Dhruvraj from 11th standard standing here to speak about a topic on a soldier who is brave, that his bravery is not living in the history of India, it's living in the heartbeat of every Indian. His name is Major Mohit Singh. Major Mohit Singh Sharma. He got the Ashok Chakra. He was also the Ashok Chakra awardee and one of the most bravest officer in Indian Army, also known as the Lion of the Indian Army, and the symbol of courage, who every time refused to die. He was born in 1978 in Rohtak, Haryana, and had a dream to become an army officer and wear uniform since his childhood. After some time, he joined National Defence Academy and later he joined Indian Military Academy and became India's most elite para-SF commando. And what made him unforgettable was not his training, it was his will. His will to walk into the danger without even thinking of the consequences. He loved challenges in life. And it was March 2009. He was with his squad in an operational mission in Kupwara village of Jammu and Kashmir. The mission was very deadly and he was surrounded by the terrorists from all the 4 directions in the forest area of Kupwara village as they were in disadvantage. Yet he decided to move forward alone, stealthy, fearless and determined. He eliminated four terrorists who were fully armed just with a knife and saved his entire squad. Even though he was suffering from a fatal gunshot wound in his chest, during the final assault, he even didn't flinch a little bit. And before collapsing, he radioed his last message, which was, "Mission is completed and the target is neutralized. Jai Hind." And he slept forever into the lap of the Mother India, whom he devoted the most. After his death, he received Ashok Chakra, which was given to his wife, Major Rishima Sharma. And now, at last, I want to say that heroes like Ashok Sharma, Naman Sayal, and Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat are not heroes after their death. They are heroes for every day they lived. Our nation sleeps peacefully because heroes like them choose to stay in the borders and stay awake in the darkness. And now, I would like to say that we don't have to honor them by silence. We have to honor them by our purpose, because they don't ask us to remember them. They ask us to become something worthy to their country for which they died, they sacrificed themselves. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For education. Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal, ma'am, all the hard-working teacher for Tenagat, and my dear friend, first of all, Charmy, good morning all of you. This is me, Yogen Singh Khita, behalf of class 4. I am standing here to say I ask question GK question. And my GK question topic is famous festival of India. My first question is Onam festival is celebrated in which state?
First and second students. Divyansh, second class. Kamala, second. Wait. Third, Hitanshi. Third is already. अच्छे से बैठो. They are of third or fourth?
Fourth.
Third, last third.
I repeat my question once again. Onam festival is celebrated in which state?
यहाँ class third या fourth standard? Third, class third.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Kerala. My next question is Chhath Puja is mainly celebrated in which state?
Class second, first you are getting the chance.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Bihar. My next question is Durga Puja is the main festival of which state? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is West Bengal. Next question is which festival is associated with the worship of the sun god in South India? I repeat my question once again. Which festival is associated with the worship of the sun god in southern India?
Yes, any god, any festival. Right?
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Pongal. My next question is which festival is beginning in harvest season in Punjab? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Baisakhi. Thank you. Have a nice day. Motivator, best teacher of our school, so I like to call music ma'am for motivator.
Thank you, Bhavna. The Guru is Brahma, the Guru is Vishnu, the Guru is Lord Shiva, and the Guru is Supreme Being solution to that Guru. Its Sanskrit meaning is Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Students, on the first this shlok, with this wonderful shlok, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking teachers, staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear lovely students. Good morning, everyone. Students, do you know why Guru kept in place of God? Anyone? Why God create teachers? Why God make teachers? Yes, answer. Tell me the answer. Why God create teachers? Yes, and okay, let me tell you. Because of He gave us a special friend. He helped us understand His words and truly apprehend and become a better person to each discovery and the beauty and the wonder. He gave us a special guide. When we are going a wrong direction, they help us, they motivate us. That's why God create teachers. That's why God made teachers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I like to call Principal Ma'am to motivate us.
Other go and sit. Other also. Other student.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, all the respected teachers and my dear students. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, so well written. Today once again we are here in the morning assembly. So I am very happy to see your all delighted faces here and hoping that you all would be fine and ready for your just starting your academic journey. And so now in this series today the first our morning assembly held here. So in that the other participant students and the mainly the hosting class is class fourth. So these small kids have given their performance. It's quite good, but somewhere they require the practice, and so daily make practice. Especially Hanuman Chalisa, we told that everyone should know the Hanuman Chalisa. Okay, so you daily make the practice. Or at home also check the books. You can take the books. So then only you will be perfect in this. Is clear? And next thing, the other students, those who have performed, so that is good. And especially the best part was about the article. What is the article? Article that Dhruv Raj have just presented about that soldier, Major Mohit Sharma, hai na? So he just told his story and bravery. So salute to such like of soldiers, those who are giving the security to Yogendra festivals, and the students who have given the more answer, clap for them also. And teachers motivational thought and
To respect our nation, so I like to call January 4th page. All member chairmen and respected principal ma'am, all the hardworking teachers, Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Janice and I'm from class 2nd. Today my praise get ready for place. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of each teacher very highly. I also respect to my parents, teachers, and others. I also kindness to animals, to my country and my people. I put my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Underline the happiness. May God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Thank you.
Take out the nails. Show me. Bhavna. Don't press. Like you should have.